Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to make a butt lifter. So guys, on my previous video on how I made this butt lifter, most of you are asking me the type of material, and some of you cut wrong material because they just didn't know the right material to cut. And so in today's video I'm going to show you another way on how you can make your own butt lifter. And guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and make sure you watch my previous videos on butt hacks. So for this tutorial I wouldn't recommend you to use this type of pants, the one that stretches too much or the one that are made of lighter materials, and of course no thongs. For this tutorial I'm not going to use this type of materials. I will recommend you to use either boy shorts and pants with this type of material, thick material like this pants. I actually wanted to use this pants, but guys, you know, this is one of my favorite pants. It's actually ugly, yes, but it's one of my favorite pants. If you watch my previous video on how to get big hips, this is the underwear I've used. And so for this tutorial I'm going to use this old pant that I no longer wear. First of all, it doesn't stretch too much, and then it's strong, the material is strong. And before I show you guys the hack or the tutorial, I would recommend you, if you don't like wearing butt lifters or butt shapers, I will recommend you to buy this type of pants, the boy short pants with thicker materials, because they'll naturally lift your butt. Like these pants will naturally lift your butt. If you don't like wearing butt lifters, just buy this. And guys, there's difference between this white boy short and the first boy short. This white boy short is it's seamless and the material is lighter. So if you want to lift your butt, this white boy short won't help you because the material is too light. I will recommend you to use the first one, boy short with thicker material. So let's get started. For this tutorial, what you're going to need is just an elastic band and a strong underwear with the thicker material. So guys, this is what I'm going to use. I got this string from this old pants that I no longer wear. So right now I'm just measuring just to see to cut the right size for my butt lifter. So I'm going to cut it into two because they're supposed to be for the both butt cheeks. And guys, this thing is not that tight. I saw in my previous video most of you are saying it might be tight and, you know, cut off blood circulation, but this thing is not really tight. Especially guys, if you wear butt lifters, you know what I'm talking about. This is just the same as a butt lifter. I'm measuring again just to make sure I mark the right place to sew, and just to make sure that the elastic band is the right length that I want, so that it's not that too tight or too loose. And so guys, the reason I was telling you need a underwear with thicker fabric is because when you're going to stitch this elastic band on the panty line, it might pull the panty down, and that's why I recommend you to use a panty with thicker material. And so guys, you can see how old this panty is. So I'm just marking on both sides, and then I will stitch the elastic band on the panty. And this is how you're going to sew this on both sides. Make sure the stitch is too tight, because depending on the weight of your butt, this elastic band should be just strong and the stitching should be so tight. So guys, I'm done with the sewing, and this is my new butt lifter. Watch my previous videos on butt hacks, butt lifters, how to get bigger hips. I will put the links down below so you can go watch. And guys, don't forget to like my videos and remember to share them if they are helpful, and if they're not helpful, guys, also comment below. That was it for today, guys. If you loved this video, if it was helpful, comment below, and also comment below if this was work. Is it a hack or is it work? Just comment below, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Mwah.